I don't know how to do this. 850. I never even curl my hair. Is he gonna notice? Well, I'm not sure that I even care. It's just dinner. It's not a lifetime of coming in a marriage proposition, but I feel so lost. Oh, I wish I could stop overthinking. Oh, it breaks my heart. Every time this happens, I just fall apart. Instead of falling into someone else's arms. If I'm being honest, maybe I'm the problem. God, I really need you, 'cause it breaks my heart. Oh, it breaks my heart. He's checking all the boxes, but something doesn't feel right. I'm looking for the exit. Oh, but he's all in, already planned our life. Oh, it breaks my heart. Every time this happens, I just fall apart. Instead of falling into someone else's arms. If I'm being honest, maybe I'm the problem. God, I really need you, 'cause it breaks my heart. Oh, it breaks my heart. I'm anxious, but you're not. Been looking for the ending. I realized I was missing the point of it all. Is learning how to trust you in the middle. Oh, it breaks my heart. Every time this happens, I just fall apart.
Heavy dress shirt, wearing my swimsuit under shorts and tag. I also have some feathers from yesterday. My hair.
You know what to do. It's time to put your phone down and raise your attitude. The God who made the birds, sea, sun, and the moon isn't somewhere far away. He is standing in the room. So let it scream, let it shout, let him know what you're about. Keep it moving and grooving, don't leave a single doubt. That today is the day that the Lord has created. Why would I sit around just waiting? Let's have a celebration. It's time to clap our hands and stomp our feet. Let's have a celebration. If you believe that Jesus set you free, it's time to celebrate. Father, Son, and Spirit, that's who I call G.O.D. I used to be a blind man until you let me see that
Let me like fly off this.
Nice dad joke.
Mine.
Time to clap our hands and stomp our feet. Let's have a celebration.